If you want to install Fortnite on your iPhone, open the Safari app first. Then go to the official website of Epic Games, epicgames.com, tap on install in the top right corner, then tap on install again right here, allow to install the app and double click on the side button of your phone. Enter your passcode and after installation open Epic Games. Here you can navigate through the app for any games or just go to the search box on top and search for Fortnite. Open Fortnite and tap on the install button right here. Tap on install app again and double click on the side button of your iPhone. Enter your passcode and then tap on continue. The installation can take a while, just wait for it to finish and then tap on open. In the first time you're going to open Fortnite, it's going to download content. It can take a while and it's asking for you for permission on sending you notifications. Just agree if you want. Then you need to wait again until it's finishing the download. As you can see here, it's 4 GB, so it can take a while depending on your device and internet speed. Once it's fully downloaded and installed, you need to log in into your Epic Games account and then you're ready to play Fortnite on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.